Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fold down Chrysler Pacifica seats. First, ensure your front seats are moved forward to create enough room. Next, lift the floor mats and open the stow and go storage compartments in the floor. Pull the strap located on the seat to release the seat back, then gently fold it forward. Finally, push the entire seat firmly into the floor compartment until it locks securely into place. This creates a flat loading surface. Now let's tackle the third row seats. Begin by ensuring all third row headrests are fully lowered. Locate the first numbered strap, pull it to release the seat back, and fold it down flat. Then, find the second numbered strap. Pull this to release the seat from its base. Carefully guide the entire seat into the rear floor well until you hear it click securely into place. You're well on your way to maximizing your cargo space. Bringing your seats back up is just as simple. To restore a seat, pull the strap to lift it out of its floor compartment. Guide the seat back into its upright position, ensuring it latches securely. Don't forget to reattach the headrests and adjust them for passenger comfort. Finally, close the floor compartments and replace your floor mats. You're now ready for passengers or a different cargo configuration. Here are a few final tips for you. Always clear any items from the seat and the floor area before attempting to fold them down. Practicing the process a few times will make it much quicker and easier in the future. Remember, a flat load floor provides maximum cargo capacity for all your adventures. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals. Enjoy your versatile Pacifica.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.